Today I'm talking about the 1010 portal. The number 1 means new beginnings, and the number 0 means a clean slate, infinity. Nothing beginning, nothing ending, everything is everything. When we put 1 together with 0 to make the number 10, this is like a karmic reset. It's cleaning the slate from everything that's been done in the past and saying that starting with this 1, you have a new beginning to create any and everything that you want. When we talk about the 1010 portal, we're talking about the date of October 10th. October being the 10th month in the Gregorian calendar and the 10th day. On 1010, this is the perfect gateway for you to reset and prepare for a new beginning. This is a time to be silent, to be quiet, to cleanse, to clear. This is also a time to reset and start fresh with who you are, who you think you are, and who you could be. With the 1010 portal, be open to everything that can be, mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually.